You just look through the lens, huh?
Yeah.
Cool. You're close enough. Huh? Oh, I did. Whoa! You got some air! You got serious air! I don't know. I was staring at it. It was
floating in the air, man.
It was in the air.
That's weird to get air trapped into that style.
Holy crap! I've never had it do that and come back and you saved it.
I got off.
You saved it too. I usually can't. He'll come up and blow right over. You saved it, man, with some serious air. I got that drive just right, man. That thing is right on the edge. I might need trim tabs, buddy. That thing was aired.
That was cool.
You had that thing totally out. And I got the rudder set so when the boat stops, the rudder's flat.
You know what I noticed? Is it really goes sideways on you when you get off the throttle?
Yes, the torque of that prop.
Well, it's in the air. And the rudder's still in, and it's offset to compensate for a heavy boat, but the heavy boat isn't in the water no more, so it tends to turn it while it's in the air. That's what I think it's doing.
That's why I offset the rudder. And I've got the rudder down when the boat's up. It's perfectly down because I had the rudder up. You lose control real easy with it. You got to have that rudder down.
This is a good video for you.
How long does your battery last? Yeah, I've never had videos of it.
Here you got about half throttle.
Right, perfect. You got it, buddy.
Fast.
Be careful. Woo! Isn't that sensitive on that steering?
Yeah, in that one direction. I don't understand it though if it's got so much of an offset to it.
All right.
Shut it.